Most people assume credit builder apps automatically fix their credit, but that is the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because in reality, not every tool builds credit the same way, and some barely impact your score at all if you don't use them correctly. In this video, we are breaking down the Grid Credit Builder features in 2026 and answering the big question: does it actually work, or is it just hype? Let's start with the simple truth. Grid is primarily a cash advance and financial tracking app, but it also offers features that may help you build better financial habits. It is not a traditional secured credit card or loan builder, so the way it affects credit is indirect in most cases. Now here's where most people get confused. They think using a credit builder app automatically increases their credit score. But credit scores are based on specific reporting systems like credit cards, loans, and repayment history. If an app does not report directly to credit bureaus, the impact is limited. So how does Grid fit in? Grid focuses more on cash flow analysis and financial behavior tracking. That means it helps you understand your spending habits, avoid overdrafts, and manage short-term cash gaps. This can indirectly improve your financial stability over time. For example, Alex uses Grid to avoid overdrafts by accessing small advances before payday. Over time, he avoids missed payments and late fees. That kind of behavior helps protect his credit profile indirectly. But here's the problem many users face. They expect instant credit score increases just by signing up. That is not how credit building works. Without consistent reporting activity, the effect on your credit score may be minimal. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The real value of Grid is not direct credit reporting. It is behavior control. If you consistently avoid overdrafts, late bills, and financial gaps, you naturally reduce negative credit events. In a minute, I'll break down exactly who benefits from Grid and who should look at other credit builder tools instead. Let's talk about limitations. Grid is not designed like a secured credit card or credit builder loan. Those tools are specifically built to report to credit bureaus. Grid is more of a financial assistant than a credit reporting tool. So does it work? Yes, but in a different way than people expect. It works by helping you manage money better, not by directly boosting your credit score overnight. Now let's talk real-world use. If Jake has unstable income and struggles with overdrafts, Grid can help him stay stable. But if John is strictly focused on raising his credit score fast, he may need additional tools like credit builder loans or secured cards. Here's the final takeaway. Grid can support your financial health, and that can indirectly protect your credit. But it is not a standalone credit building system. So the smartest approach is to use it as a support tool, not a primary credit builder. If this breakdown helped you understand how Grid really works in 2026, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest finance app reviews.